Welcome to Elevana. Here we are not just believe in improving our skills, we will be transforming your skill sets to think, speak, work and lead your teams. We have three programs and services which are Pro Communicator, Pro Leader and Pro Consultant. Hello, welcome to Elevana. We are here not only just improving our skills, actually we are trying to mastering our skills with our Elevana products and services which we have Pro Communicator, Pro Leader and Pro Consultant. With these, you can able to transform your skill sets to think, speak, lead. With Pro Communicator course, we have 8-step formula for your communication success, where you can start communicating effectively from meeting room to global stage, where you can communicate in ease and effectively with persuasion, clarity, and purpose. Whoever you are, you are an entrepreneur, intrapreneur, or a student, you can confidently express your ideas. That is Pro Communicator for you. Pro Leader is about leadership and effective execution. Here you will be learning to plan effectively, manage projects with discipline, and guide teams through complexity. It is not about only the managing tasks, it is about inspiring people, driving with results, and creating the movement which lasts forever. This program develops leaders who can handle both people and projects with vision and responsibility. Pro Consultant equips you with the ability to analyze challenges, design solutions, and deliver values. It is built for the professionals who want to guide their teams, startups, or organizations toward meaningful outcomes. It is not only delivering the values. Through this program, you will learn practical frameworks for problem solving, consulting techniques, and strategies that create real transformation for business. Elevana isn't about short-term fixes. It's about building long-term growth in communication, consulting, and leadership. Whether you want to speak with impact, solve problems strategically, or lead with confidence, there's a program here for you. With Elevana, you don't just upgrade your skills, you elevate your potential.